Keynote: Powering POS Intelligence with the 3D AI DNN Model. The 3D AI DNN Model for POS, crafted by visionary AI/ML architect Pradeep K. Suri, stands as a testament to how modern neural networks can elevate traditional retail intelligence into a fully predictive and dynamic system. By blending deep learning layers with domain-specific knowledge, this model transforms raw sales and transactional data into actionable insights live, adaptive, and visualized in 3D. Whether it's anticipating product demand, detecting fraud, or tailoring offers in real time, this intelligent engine drives retail agility and customer centricity at its core. Through vibrant animations and a dual-layered chart featuring AI readiness scores and growth percentages, the model not only presents what is happening but also explains why it is happening. This capability empowers retail managers to respond to shifting consumer behavior, inventory pressure points, and profitability margins with unprecedented speed and clarity. The architecture seamlessly integrates business logic into each neural layer, establishing a transparent feedback loop between data interpretation and business execution. AI/ML Architects Comment, Pradeep K. Suri. The 3D AI DNN model for POS is more than just a neural network, it is a strategic retail enabler. Designed to mirror the fluidity of real-time business, each layer is a thinking unit, trained not just to compute, but to correlate, prioritize, and act. My goal was to give managers not a black box, but a living model, one that grows smarter with each transaction. This engine is built not for complexity but for clarity, not just for analytics but for actionable intelligence. Pradeep K. Suri, AI/ML Architect. POS Dashboard, 3D AI DNN Model. The video titled POS DNN Flow showcases a dynamic and animated dashboard driven by the 3D AI Deep Neural Network model designed by Pradeep K. Suri. This dashboard visualizes how AI intelligence flows through layers of decision-making in a point-of-sale (POS) environment. Each frame in the animation brings to life a specific AI output, starting with sales forecast, then progressing through fraud score, reorder alert, offer suggestion, customer pattern, and finally revenue insight. These insights are represented using animated bar charts for AI readiness score and line charts for percent growth, making the viewer feel the progression of intelligence through time. The animation not only visualizes AI predictions but reflects the way deep learning evolves layer by layer, insight by insight. For example, the fraud detection score dynamically increases as more data feeds into the model, while reorder alerts adapt to real-time sales trends. The dashboard's dark-themed interface, paired with vibrant highlights, enhances readability while emphasizing critical trends. Every frame is deliberately designed to highlight one new intelligence module, reinforcing how deep learning in retail is not just reactive, but continuously learning and adapting. Keynote: Real-time intelligence for retail leadership. This dashboard isn't just about AI, it's about enabling real-time decisions at the POS level. By making the 3D AI DNN architecture transparent and interactive, we've empowered store leaders and data strategists to make faster, smarter decisions rooted in predictive intelligence. Whether you're optimizing inventory or targeting high-value customers, this model gives you the clarity and control to act with confidence. Mentor's point of view and thank you note. As the mentor behind this model, I see it not as a tool, but as a learning engine, one that helps teams grow into AI-powered decision makers. The 3D architecture is designed to teach as it performs, offering visual clarity on how intelligence builds from input to output. It supports AI explainability, business interpretability, and operational excellence, values that every next-gen retail leader should embrace. Thank you for being part of this AI journey. Continue to challenge, explore, and enhance intelligence, because the future of POS is not just smart, it's self-learning. Pradeep K. Suri, 3D AI DNN Model Mentor and Architect.